Hello, everybody. Yes, you did read that correctly. There is a free valuation for a limited time offer with the 5 percenters. So I believe this is a summer plan, something new that they're trying. And I believe this is a great opportunity for anyone to take advantage of. It's not an easy challenge, right? It's not an easy evaluation process. However, it is completely free if you do take it seriously. This is something that you could put into your portfolio or your resume, right? Because there will be maybe 1% of applicants that will go through this whole evaluation process and most likely get funded. People underestimate the difficulty of these challenges, right? Especially when there's multi-level qualifications, and this is the case with this evaluation process. However, it is completely free. Now, let's break this program down for you guys. Right, so it's free evaluation and you pay only upon qualification. So once you qualify, you will have to pay a small fee to get access to the live account. And with the profit split that they have, you'll cover your initial investment fee quite significantly in the first profit split. However, we'll go into more details into that shortly after this, right? So the account balance is up to 3 million, right? Keyword here is up to. We'll take a look at the grid on how you can get to the 3 million mark. Okay, scaling plan every 5%, right? So because you will be starting at 100K, every 5% gain, right, you will scale your account. I'm not too sure what the details are, but up to $3 million, right? And the profit share is up to 80-20. So 80% to the trader, 20% for the firm. However, just again, keyword up to. So there's a scaling plan to scale your profit share from 50-50 to 80-20. All right, so let's scroll down and take a look at the details for you guys. All right, so here's a few details. So yes, it's completely free, but it's not for everyone, as they even say it, right? It's not an easy challenge, right? It's made for the highly experienced traders. So if you're new to trading, I mean, you can take a jab at it. Why not? It's free. However, don't get your hopes up. It's not going to be easy. It's not something that you're going to complete within 1, 2, 3 trades or 5, 10 days. It's going to take a few months, in my opinion, based on the leverage that you get access to and the multi-step evaluation process. So it's not like one of those other prop firm challenges that anyone can fluke it by accident, get 1 or 2 good trades and get funded, and then next thing they know, they lose their funded account as soon as they get it because they get super excited. They think they're skilled, experienced traders, and next thing they know, they were just pretty much more lucky than skilled, right? So this program is designed to test the consistency and discipline skills of traders. So this is the whole point of an evaluation process for a prop firm, right? This is why I really do vouch for Fivers. I am already funded with them, and I really like their business models. They're probably like one of the most, in my opinion, based on their business model, the most legitimate prop firm out there. Okay, this is not an easy program, and it aims to find only the most skilled and experienced traders. Traders that want to apply for a trading seat with us will need to complete 3 challenge phases on a demo account, and we'll scroll down in a bit, and we'll go through the 3 phases. Okay, the challenges aim to look for consistency and profitability. So traders will need to achieve 2 targets, right? You don't have no minimum trading days or minimum trades to be taken. You just need to achieve 2 targets, right? Which is the profit target and the pip target. Now, some people might say, why is there a pip target? This is irrelevant, blah, blah, blah. I trade small movements, big lots, and I could achieve a profit target with, I don't know, 100 pips, and someone would achieve that with 1,000 pips. Well, guess what? It's just a fail proof, right? For them to model it like this, so that you're not one of those traders that trade 5, 10 pips here and there, which is more like gambling, like going at the casino and putting your money on black or red with a 50-50% chance of winning or losing, right? They want to really filter out the unskilled with the skilled traders, right? That's why there's 2 profit targets, right? There's 2 targets to achieve: the profit target and the pip target. Okay, and only when both are met, so both targets are met, you can advance to the next challenge phase, right? So without further ado, let's scroll into the details, right? So stop paying for failed attempts, pay only upon success, right? So this is really a way how the 5%ers are differentiating themselves from other prop firms. So you're not paying consistently for challenges and failing, then paying again and failing again until you finally get funded, right? You only go through the evaluation process completely free and only upon completion, right? Only upon completion where they give you a live account to trade where you have upside potential that you will be paying. And guess what? The fee is extremely low. Okay, when we'll go into it shortly. Okay, so challenge stages in a nutshell. Cost is free. By the way, it's free for a limited time, so take advantage of it now. Okay, complete each challenge when both targets are met. So remember your profit target and your PIP target. Leverage is 1 to 10. Some people might freak out now that I'm saying leverage is 1 to 10. Oh my God, this is so low, blah, blah, blah. Again, this is a way to filter out the unskilled with the skilled traders. So if you're a skilled trader, you know that 1 to 10 leverage or 1 to 500 leverage is indifferent, right? So if they're trying to assess you on a long period of time, right? At least 2-3 months, right? You need to lower the leverage and you need to make sure that each position that's being taken by a trader is limited to a certain exposure in risk. Okay, so the first challenge, remember this is just a demo account. You start with a 25k account. You can't lose more than 5% and your profit target is 10%. So you need to reach a 2 to 1, hence why the challenge is a bit more difficult than the usual or typical challenge that you get to see through other prop firm challenges, right? A lot of them is just like 1 to 1 kind of target. However, again, if you do have great risk management, great position sizing, and like risk to reward setups, this shouldn't be an issue. And this just comes to prove that it's not going to be easy and it's going to take a little bit more time than what you might be used to with other programs where people pass in a day or two, right? This is when you pass a challenge in 1 or 2 days, there's no way for a company or for a firm that their main goal is to, you know, filter out the unskilled with the skilled traders to really figure out if you're an actual experienced and profitable trader through 2 trades, right? You need at least 3, in my opinion, 3 months worth of data, okay, to assess someone. Now, these are your 3 challenges. Again, you need to pass both profit targets and PIP targets to pass to the next challenge. Now, the reason why there's multi-step challenges is to really make sure that it obviously decreases the probabilities of people passing the challenge. However, if you do pass all 3, they know for certain, maybe 90%, that you are a consistently profitable and a long-term or a seasonal trader, right? And you will most likely find success in the next step. So you're not paying, first of all, for all these 3 challenges. It's completely free, but upon completion, you pay an initial fee, probably for them to run their platforms and their customer support. There's a lot of things that comes with having access to this challenge and the funded trading, right? So once you pass all 3, you get to the live trading, right? And in a nutshell, this is what it is. So the one-time cost is $300 USD, only after passing the challenge stages. So you may notice that this is significantly lower than what you're used to paying in other prop firms, right? Every time you reach a 5% gain, which is more or less 1 to 1 from your maximum allowed loss, 4% to 5%, right? You get to scale your account from 100k to 125. So you scale the account balance by 25, more or less 25%. In this case, it's just 25k each time, all the way up to 3 million, right? Now, remember, you need 2 targets. You need your profit target, which is 5% in this case, and then your PIP target for the first 5 accounts. And notice how your payout ratio starts at 50-50, right? And then gradually, as you increase your account, right, from portfolio management level 1 to portfolio management level 7, you go 60-40, and then 70-30, and then lastly, when you get a $3 million account, you get an 80-20 split. All right. Of course, there's a whole risk idea behind why they're charging, let's say, 50% of your profit at first and then 80-20. Of course, you've scaled up your account to a certain amount, they reward you with a bigger profit split. Okay, and of course the leverage remains the same, a 1 to 10. So all you have to do, guys, is go to this link, right? The 5%ers, sorry, the fiverrs.com/top hyphen 1 / and on this page, or just go on to their main page, you'll see if you go to the home page, right, you'll see this like that big pop-up, whatever. Just click on here, you can click enroll now, and this is what brings you to this page that we were on, where we scroll down and saw all these details. Then you click on enroll now for free, and you'll get your account within 24 hours and you can get started. Just beware that the account is only available on MT5. So if you're not used to using MT5, it's quite similar to MetaTrader 4 with slight differences, but this is pretty much it. And just make sure that you read through the specifications. So if you do, leave the account without any activity for more than 21 days, they just remove your account. Okay. And there are one little, important requirement here, right? Opening trades near high impacting news is not allowed during the challenge, but is allowed during the live account. So during the challenge, just be aware of high impacting news, right? And you can read the terms and condition to get maybe a little bit more details. What is near high impacting news? In my opinion, must be like, I don't know, within minutes of the news, right? So they don't want you to be trading highly uncertain market conditions around, let's say, NFP, for example, because that doesn't allow them to assess you as a good trader or skilled or versus an unskilled trader. Anyways, there's frequently asked questions here. There's little recommendations on how to use your position size, but obviously if you're only allowed to lose 5% in total during the challenge, I wouldn't recommend taking 1% a risk per trade, because this represents 25% of your max allowed loss. Maybe go 0.5% or even 0.25% and then scale your position up, right? So given the nature of your position size, of course, the profit target is a lot harder to achieve than other prop firms, but that's the whole purpose of the challenge here. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to answer those questions as best as I can. However, your best option would go onto their website and just click on Let's Talk Now, right? You can speak to a bot here, which will most likely answer your questions, and if not, it will redirect you to their email, and they'll most likely just answer your questions with high accuracy. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, guys. Thank you for the support again. And if you like this video, give it a like. Sorry it did go longer than what I've expected. However, there was a lot of information to cover there. It is a great opportunity for every trader to take on. Whether you're experienced or not, it could be an extremely good trading experience for you to go through and to better yourself as a trader. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. Peace.